Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisette. For today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be unboxing with you guys my Boxycharm base box for the month of March. So I just got this in the mail. Boxycharm sent me this in PR and I wanted to share with you guys what they sent me. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box and it's $25 a month, which includes 5 full-size products, and the overall value of the box is $175. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see right here's the box, and it comes with one of these cards, and the theme for this month is lucky. Okay, so right here I have all of the things, the descriptions, and the value of each of the items. So I will be looking at this based on the products to see what they are, and at the end to add up the value of this box. Okay, so the first thing I see right here is from the brand The Beauty Crop, and it's the Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. Okay, so there are some hydrating masks. Let's see, it says hydrating, plumping, nourishing. So let's see if I find this right here. Okay, so it's these nourishing avocado and green tea infused eye patches will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. Avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while the green tea energizes and depuffs your under eyes. Say goodbye to stress, treat and relax your under eyes, you deserve it. And the retail value of this is $18. Okay, next product we have is from the brand Cap, and it's a lip oil. Okay, so let's see the lip oil. I believe I have tried products from this brand before in Boxycharm. I think I tried a lipstick and a lip liner. So now we have right here the lip oil. So it's like a red. So let's see what it says right here in the card. Okay, so it says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. So swipe this one on for comfortable juicy lips all day long. Okay, so they are tinted and this is like a red. So it says Run Punch is the shade. So I can't wait to try this. And the retail value of that is $20. Okay, so next item I have here is from Maven Beauty. So this is the Rose Water Setting Spray. So let me open it so you guys can see it. It's a setting spray. It's a really pretty packaging. I like that. So I can't wait to try this out and see if it works. And let me see, it says, set your intentions and your makeup with this Aura Lifting Antioxidant Packed Rose Water Setting Spray. Mist all of your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Ooh, that's amazing. And the value of this is $22. Okay, so next item, I'm so excited because it's from Glow Recipe. And you guys know that Glow Recipe has the most gorgeous packaging, and all of their products, skincare products, are based on like fruits and stuff, so that's pretty cool. This is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, Calming and Hydrating. Ooh, okay, so let's open it up to see how it looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The packaging is glass, so I'm excited to try this out. It says that it's a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores, is non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin, blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. And the retail value of this is $39. And the last item, it's an eyeshadow palette. So you guys know I love getting eyeshadow palettes. So this is the This is from the brand Lime Crime. I don't think I have tried anything from this brand. And this is the Venus 3. Venus 3. So it's really pretty. It's like a woman. And then it looks really cute. I like the packaging. Definitely. So let's open her up and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's a really like big packaging. Like it's really thick. So let's see. Okay, so it comes with a mirror and the shades are really pretty and soft. They're more like pinkish, purpley tones, so I like that. I really like these right here. They're matte and then they're like 3 shimmers. So I'm excited to give this a try. One thing that I can tell you, I like the colors, you know, the pink and purple. I like that combination. It is like really thick packaging, so it might be hard for some people to like put it away. Like for storage purposes, it's kind of like thick, but it's definitely different. This reminds me of another palette that I received from Boxycharm. I think it was the colors, no, it's called Storybook Cosmetic, I think it was, and it's something similar. Like the packaging is something like thick, but it's really, really pretty and kind of like collectibles. So yeah, that's it. Let me see the price of this palette. It says Lime Crime Venus 3 Eyeshadow Palette is $38. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add up the value of this box. So like I was saying, the overall value of the box should be between $125 to $175, and you only pay $25. So let's see the value of all of these items put together. So the Lime Crime Eyeshadow Palette is $38. Then the Glow Recipe, $39. Then we have the Maybelline Beauty Setting Spray, $22. The Cap Cosmetic Hydrating Lip Oil, $20. And last, the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask, $18. And you get a full box of worth $137. So I think that's a pretty good overall value of the box. You only pay $25 for this and you get amazing products. They're really good brands. I'm excited to try everything and let you guys know. Make sure to check out the link in my bio if you want to subscribe to this box. They have other memberships, which is, they have the premium, which is like a step above, and it's $35 and you get 6 full-size items. And I believe the Boxy Lux, which is $50, but it's every 3 months, and you get like 8 to 9 full-size products. So it's just amazing the deals they have, and you could actually get a much discount when it comes to Boxy Pop-Up, which they do every once in a while, and they have like really good discounted price products, as well as Anon Store, which is every month, and you get things that are really expensive for like $12, $5, etc. They have various prices. And yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys got in your box. I really like this box. It's like a combination between skincare and makeup, and I like it. I'm going to be trying it and let you guys know. Make sure to check out my Instagram at Lismania Beauty to see the look I create with this palette. I'm excited to try. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Bye.